It could influence, it can't change. I wish it had the power to, but it can't. A lot of stuff is blamed on, oh, these item songs are what puts a wrong thought into somebody's head. And my argument to that is, but there are films which talk about extremely strong women characters and about how to protect women. Why is that not adapted as well?
You did mention how even in Dil Dhadakne, though, the wife is feeling bullied by her husband. And I would like to believe that it's very common. If you have been married for a really long period of time.
One particular film I did that has an impact that is played over years. It was one of the first films I did, Monsoon Wedding.
Yeah.
The character I played, and it was, she's been molested as a child. I know so many women have walked up to me and said, you gave us strength to voice what we went through. We went through it but never had the courage to come up and speak about it, even in our family. And which makes so much of a difference to know that if that was solace, I think I kind of succeeded in doing whatever I went out to.